define. First of all, I will try to give one analogy to understand this capacitance. Try to understand. Let us consider let us consider this is a tank. Let it be water tank. So here I am filling the water in water tank up to, for example, a certain limit. Here how much capacity is 5 liters. What is the capacity? 5 liters. Again I have taken another tank also. This is another tank. Here also how much I have taken? Better I will take 10 liters. Easy to understand. Here also I have taken 10 liters. 2 storage tanks. I filled with water. Here 10 liters. Here also 10 liters. Okay. Generally, if you ask the question, which tank capacity is maximum? Which tank capacity is maximum? This is first tank. This is second tank. Which capacity? Which tank capacity is maximum? Second or first? Yes, clearly you can say that second. See, it is a general question, that's what you are telling. If the same question, if I ask about the capacitor, it is something difficult to say. So on which base you are telling, I will tell you. Okay. So in this particular case, for example, this total height, for example, if I take 10 centimeter, what is the total height of the tank? 10 centimeter. Here also the height is how much? 10 centimeter only, na? Same height tanks I have taken. Understand? Okay. Now this height is 10 centimeter. That means each centimeter, how much capacity? 1 liter. So 10 centimeter, 10 liter of water. So each centimeter, what is the water level? 1 liter. 1 liter. Okay. Right. Come to here. 10 centimeter, but not 10 liter water not belongs to total 10 centimeter. So just it is, you can take this is up to 5, this is okay, I can take 2 centimeter. Just for 2 centimeters, how much water is there? 10 liters. Means for 1 centimeter, how much water is there? 5 liters. Here for 1 centimeter, how much? 1 liter. Okay. So this is the idea. You can understand what is capacity. I have 2 tanks, 10 centimeter height, same tanks, but here the capacity 1 centimeter of this particular tank, 1 liter, 1 centimeter of this tank, 5 liters. Okay. So if I want to raise the level of water, each 1 centimeter, how much water I have to pour? 1 liter of water. Understand? If I want to still increase 1 centimeter. So to increase its capacity, okay, what is its capacity? 10 liters. If I want to increase the capacity, what I have to do? For each 1 centimeter, how much water I require? 1 liter. Point to be understand. For each 1 centimeter, I need 1 liter. In the same situation, here also, if I want to increase the level, if I want to increase the capacity, how much water I require? 5 liter. Same na? Here also 1 centimeter, there also 1 centimeter. In 2 cases also. Here for 1 centimeter to increase the height, how much water I require? 1 liter. To 1 centimeter rise in second tank, how much water I require? 5 liters. Hope you understand. Same analogy apply for this electricity. Okay. So these two also capacitors. Okay. Let it be take cylindrical capacitors. Understand? Okay. So here 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Same capacitors I have taken. Okay. So here to increase 1 centimeter of height, 1 centimeter of height, this height is nothing but what I am telling, potential. Potential. So what is 1 centimeter? Potential. So to rise 1 volt of potential, 1 volt of potential. Here water is nothing but what? Charge. Okay? Water is nothing but what? Charge. See, generally you can think, what I am considering? This 1 centimeter is potential. What? That level. When water is goes on increase, the level also, height also increase. Water is goes on increase, height also goes on increase. Now water I am comparing with what? Charge. So when charge is goes on increase, potential also goes on increase. Okay? Water is goes on increase, the height is goes on increase. Here water is charge, height is potential. Height is potential. Okay? See that 1 centimeter means 1 volt of potential to increase. Okay? How much charge I have to take? For example, 1 coulomb. Here the same, for 1 centimeter for that, how much? 5 liters. 5 liters. So, in this particular capacitor, to raise the potential, okay, to raise the potential 1 volt, how much charge I have to give? 1 coulomb of charge. To raise potential 1 volt, how much charge I have to give? 5 coulombs. So, which capacity is maximum? Second one only. So, now I am using capacity. Capacity means to able to do some work, able to store some work. Okay? So, this analogy I am taking here. Simple logic. What it here? Capacity or capacitance means it is to raise a particular potential or to raise 1 volt of potential. How much charge is required? How much charge is required? It is nothing but what? Capacity. Understand? See, to raise 1 centimeter of height, how much water is required? That is giving us capacity, capacitance of these tanks or not? Understand? For 1 centimeter raising of height, how much water I require? It is giving the information, the capacity of the tank. Okay? This is one capacitor, this is another capacitor. For this capacitor, to raise its potential, I need some charge. That is its capacity. Same situation, to raise its potential by unit, I need some charge. That is particular capacitor, capacitance. So, how can I define capacity or capacitance? The amount of charge is required to raise its potential by 1 unit. Okay, I will take in the same concept. See, yes, to get Q charge, I am giving Q charge is giving how much potential? V. Correct? For example, I am taking Q charge. Q charge is giving how much potential? Yes. Okay. So now, if I want to get for 1 unit, yes, V by Q, this is equals to CV, no, just a minute. So, what the formula here? Q is equals to CV, C is equals to Q by V. So, just a reverse if I take, it is easy to understand. Yes, for V potential, how much charge is? Q charge. For V potential, how much charge is Q potential? So 1 unit of potential, what I am taking? To raise how much potential I am raising? 1 unit of potential. For 1 unit of potential, what can I take? Q by V. So it is what I am consider as a capacity. Understand? See, the same concept only I have taken. Yes. To raise 1 unit of potential, how much charge is required? What I am taking? To raise 1 unit of potential, how much charge is required? So C is equals to what can I take formula? Q by V. Yes, it is very important. The term came C. Total electrostatics is depends upon the C only. Total electrical engineering, whatever it may be, maximum probably with the capacitance. See students, capacitor is different, capacitance is different. Capacitor is a device which can store electrical energy by adding charge. Capacitance is a property. Capacitance is a characteristic property. So how can I define? It is the ratio of charge to the potential difference. If I give starting, what is capacitance? C is equals to Q by V means it is a meaningless. So what is internally a enlarged meaning is there. What the meaning is? I have one capacitor. So capacitor means what? Already it has some charge. Already it has some charge. Okay. So what is the duty of the capacitor? To store the electrical charge. It is in the form of a energy. What is its capacitance? What is its capacitance? Means to develop 1 volt of potential, how much charge it require. That is what that particular property is considered as its capacitance. I have 50 kg weight. My weight is 50 kg. It is a charge. I am able to do 50 joules of work. It is my potential. It is my potential. If I want to increase my work, what I have to improve? My weight. Understand? If I want to improve my work, what I have to add? My weight. Okay. So, how much weight I have to improve to increase my work? 1 joule. That is my capacitance. That is my capacity. So, here weight is why? Weight is nothing but charge. My work is nothing but potential. Okay. So, it is a systematic relation between what now? Potential and the charge. Okay. Hope you understand this analogy. So, as per that, for V potential, Q charge. For 1 unit potential, Q by V. See, if V is 1 unit, C is equals to what? Q. What is its capacitance? Means how much charge is stored in it. What is its capacitance? How much charge is stored in it? So basic idea is same. Beginning onwards I am telling you the same thing. Where there is a charge, there is a electric field. There is a electric field, there is a potential. All are proportional, depend on distance only. Now the second term is came capacitance. So what is the capacitance? The capacitance is the ratio of charge per unit potential. The amount of charge is required to raise 1 unit of potential. This is what? Capacitance. Okay, right ma. So capacitance represented with C. Okay, C is equals to Q by V. When V is equals to 1 unit, C is equals to Q. In such a case, different terms we have in electrostatics. What before I said? E is equals to F by Q. Correct? Intensity of electric field E is equals to F by Q. When charge is 1 unit, then E is equals to F. Electric field intensity is equals to electric force. Okay. Again I have taken one more formula. What? Potential V is equals to W by Q naught. When Q naught is 1 unit, then potential difference is nothing but what? Work done. In the same sense, C is equals to Q by V. When V is equals to 1 unit, then what will happen? C is equals to Q. Okay. It is capacitance is represented as capital C. Okay. So, in this particular capacitance, we need to derive the unit. So, what is the unit for this? Q. Q SI unit is what? Coulomb. V. What is V? Potential difference. Potential difference unit is what? Volt. What is that ma? Coulomb by volt. So it is represented as F-A-R-A-D, Farad, behalf of a famous physicist Farad. In last class I explained about Faraday case, right? So Farad. So Farad is the SI unit for capacitance or capacity. Okay. About this Farad we have a good information. Later I will explain. Farad is a very large unit of capacitance. Practically we cannot use. So that capacitance we must calculate very small units like microfarads and nanofarads. we have to use. Microfarad means how much more? 10 power minus 6 farads. Nano means how much? 10 power 9 farads. Why? Because 1 farad value is very large. Okay? Just. What is the conclusion now? What is capacitor? What is capacity? Capacitor is a device. Capacity or capacitance is a property of a capacitor. Okay, capacitor is the device which can store energy in the form of a charge. Okay, what is capacitance? What is capacitance? Capacitance is the ratio of charge per potential. The amount of charge is required. The amount of charge is required to raise its potential by 1 unit. Okay, can you define 1 farad? 1 farad. Q by V na? Q is equals to CV. Q by V means 1 farad means what? 1 coulomb, 1 volt. Okay? If the amount of charge required, to raise the potential of a capacitor is 1 volt, then the capacitance is 1 farad. Now 1 coulomb, no, I must mention